there guys.
Hi.
And welcome to Student Meals. How time flies. It's been another year of awesome recipes, videos, guest hands, new stuff, good stuff, bad stuff.
All stuff.
It's been a year. Thank you for sticking with us for so long. We just wanted to say Merry almost Christmas. We just wanted to say Happy Holidays and Happy almost New Year. Maybe it's already New Year when you're watching this. On another note,
So, a milestone this year was that we reached 50,000 subscribers! Yay! Thank you guys so much for all of your support. We never thought when we started Student Meals it would grow to be something like this with so many subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support, your comments, your sweet comments, your suggestions, all of it. We still can't believe it, and it feels so good. So thank you so much!
more a personal milestone, we've reached 10 years of being together this year.
So to conclude this episode and this year, a long forgotten tradition, the silly dance.